Welcome. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to turn off offline access for a PDF in the Dropbox mobile app. If you've ever saved a PDF for offline viewing but now want to free up space or simply remove that offline copy, this guide is for you. The steps are straightforward, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to manage your files with ease. First, open the Dropbox app on your mobile device. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials and get to your main dashboard. You'll notice various options at the bottom of the screen. Look for the one labeled Files and tap on it. This section contains all the documents and folders you have stored in your Dropbox account. Next, scroll through your files until you find the PDF that's currently available offline. Offline files have that little check mark or indication that they're saved locally on your device. Once you spot the PDF you're targeting, look to its right side and tap the 3 vertical dots. This button opens a menu with several options related to the file. In the menu, you'll see an option labeled Make Available Offline. If this is toggled on, it means the file is saved on your device for offline use. To turn off offline access and remove the stored copy, simply tap the toggle so it switches off. When you do this, Dropbox will delete the offline version of the PDF from your device, freeing up space but still keeping it safe in the cloud. And that's it. Just open the Dropbox app, go to Files, find the PDF, tap the 3 dots, and toggle off Make Available Offline. This simple process helps you keep control over your device's storage without losing access to your important documents when you're connected to the internet. Thanks for watching.